Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today we're gonna use Lancome Beauty Box. Yes, I already have a video where I am reviewing these products, but in this video I'm gonna teach you step by step how I create this beautiful look. I will use all products from this collection. Again, you can go wrong. It's $75. It's purchase with purchase. If you spend $42, you can get this again for $75. We have 8 full-size item here, and it's like if you pay separate, it will cost you more than $500. And look at me, I think this is such a beautiful look. Again, we're gonna use this palette, which one in this amazing Lancome Beauty Box. Okay, let's start. Enjoy, comments below, message me, buy products from my link. Remember, it's coming from Nordstrom and it's free shipping. And reach me on Instagram, say Katerina, I purchased this from you. I will send you some extra goodies. Okay, let's start. I looked everywhere, I could not find my Lancome primer, and I decided to use Kylie. It's for face and body. It's a liquid highlighter, but I feel like I wanna use this first because it have little bit glow, and like I like how it looks. But I will use this as my primer, and I will apply it entire my face, and then I will put my foundation, and we'll see. I think it should be very pretty. And if you hear any noise, I'm sorry. We just have yesterday, like, we don't have in Tampa, we got lucky. We don't have hurricane, but we have a so big wind and a lot of people right now outside cleaning. And by the way, look at how pretty this is. I love this. My skin looks beautiful. And now I will put foundation. I don't know about you girls, but I love how my skin looks. Wow, what a beautiful, oh my god, wow, it's so pretty. I think this is limited edition item. I knew it's a Kylie Jenner limited edition holiday collection, and if you like this, you need to buy this. Like, I believe less than $30. I will put this link below, but I love how my skin looks. Look at this. Wow. I have my little concealer, which one I really like it, and it's tinted all, and I kind of apply right here in the corner and right here, and I use a Bobbi Brown brush. I love this brush for my concealer. I'm just a little bit spreading this concealer. Very good coverage, absolutely in love. Now I'm gonna set my face with, I need to use a powder, and I'm gonna use transparent powder from Lancome. I'm just gonna set my foundation, and then we're gonna do brows. I have my little bit makeup puff, and I'm gonna put a little bit this transparent powder right here. Also very little, I just put this powder and kind of like on center my nose. Okay, I know I look a little bit funny, but girls, it will work. This will work. Okay, let's do eyebrows. Eyebrows done. Let's use fixed makeup setting spray from Lancome, and I'm just gonna apply on entire my face. First of all, because I use powder, and powder looks a little bit dry under my eyes, but I like to use this product. It's fragrance free, and it just like this powder melts with my foundation and it's not looks dry like before. Okay, and I did remove my powder. I'm sorry. I forgot to show you, but I take a big brush and I just remove. Now I'm gonna use a brush from Trish McAvoy. I love this brush. It's number 66 blending cream and Lancome eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna apply on the entire my eyelid. And this color I apply right here in this corner and this corner. Color it's really not too dark, very soft, very looks natural, and basically I am blending right now. And you can see where I have eyeshadow done. It's again very natural color. Now I have a clean blending brush and we're gonna use this color. It's a little bit like a purpley undertone, very pretty. It's very hard to find this color. Again, I'm gonna apply right here on the corner of my eye and a little bit up like letter C. Now I have a clean blending brush and I'm gonna use this lighter color in this palette and I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrows. So far I really like this palette. I like quality for this eyeshadow, and again I feel like I look younger. If you are a long time with me, you know I don't do much crazy stuff. Sometimes maybe I can do something like dramatic, but I try to look still like soft, and makeup is like every day you can use. It's kind of like your everyday look I'm showing you. Again, I have a clean brush and I'm gonna use this color, which one we use first one. I'm just gonna apply a little bit above right here, little bit more smoky look. Ooh, very pretty. Just I don't wanna see a big line from light color and this one transition color. Now let's use this matte brown color. Just very little we applying right here on the corner. And I'm pushing little bit up. And you can see I just like basically scroll, like blending. Now I have like a flat liner brush and I'm gonna use this darker brown and I'm gonna apply underneath. And also I apply very close to my lash line on top. Now I have a small blending brush and I'm just gonna blend this underneath, and I'm gonna little bit smoky this line. I feel a little bit mess up right here, but I don't worry about. I'm just gonna put transparent powder there. And I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes. Now I have my small blending brush and we're gonna use this lighter color, and it has a little bit shimmer. I put little bit above my bone and little bit in the corner. Ooh, it's so pretty. Now we just need to remove this transparent powder. Wow, it's very soft, it's very natural. Yeah, I really like this look, very pretty. I have a big blending brush and I'm just gonna little bit like scroll and blend all colors together. Now one more time I'm gonna use my setting mist. It's my favorite. And very quick, I'm gonna use my finger and we're gonna use this beautiful it's like I have pinky purpley color, and I apply right here, very softly. I actually gonna use right now my concealer brush. Gonna little bit more put this color. It's very pretty, and I want right here go to this corner. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Pillows, it's so pretty. Very pretty color. It's like a purpley, little bit pinky, neutral. It's hard to describe. Girls, you need to buy this beauty box from Lancome. It's like amazing in size and volume. Of course, I will put link below. You can go to my Instagram where I have link. You click and will take you to my shopping area where it's like I have some clothes, shoes, everything what I posted I usually own. I like it and I trust these brands, I trust these products. Now it's time for me to curl my lashes. We're gonna use Lancome primer and we're gonna use mascara. I don't know which one in this set. For extra pop you can apply lashes, but I'm actually like this way, just really natural soft look. Now in this palette we have Bronze With You highlighter and we have two blushes. I'm gonna use older brush from Lancome and we're gonna start warm my skin a little bit with bronze. Bronze make a big difference, and I do like this color. It looks like it's color Solar. Now I'm gonna use this little highlighter and I'm gonna just apply on top of my bronze. Now same brush, I'm gonna use these blushes and I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna use these two blushes together, and I can see it's very pigmented. Usually what I do, I will just put on my hand a little bit and remove blush when I feel like it's too much on my brush. And now I'm just applying like in circular motion and pushing up. Wow, it's so pretty, very pretty. We're almost done. Actually, you know what, I really want to use this color and I want to use this on my eyes. I think it will be so pretty, just a little bit right here, and your blush connect with your eyes. Ooh la la, yeah. It's so pretty. My eyes right away become like way more blue. And by the way, I love this foundation with Kylie Jenner highlighter. My skin looks so pretty. And to finish this look, we're gonna use lipstick, which one inside, lip gloss and lip liner. For lip liner, I'm gonna use waterproof lip liner from Lancome color Natural Matte because it'll go perfectly with our lip products. I can see it's a very beautiful lip gloss. Then we have here lipstick French tea, beautiful color. And let me actually show you on my hand how it looks. Very pretty, very soft. This is one of my favorite lipstick from Lancome, and they have so many different formulas, and I will put next to lipstick lip gloss. Voila, you can't go wrong. It will look so pretty on me. And this lip liner, it's perfect, looks like my own lip color, but I like it's waterproof, it's not gonna run, it's gonna keep my lipstick, lip gloss, stay on my lips and not running everywhere. Wow, this is how lipstick look without lip gloss, but let me put a little bit lip gloss. Girls, ooh, it's so pretty. I'm just moving a little bit. You can see me from far, you can see much more close to me. I'm very happy. This is just so beautiful, soft look. Oh, let me put my hair down. Okay, no one woman not pretty. We're all beautiful and gorgeous. We need just little bit makeup. It's so pretty. It's so like soft, natural. Again, this is box. It's $75 and I use almost all products from here. One item which one I don't use, it's fragrance, but I will because it's a just beautiful like a sweeter scent. But girls, enjoy this beauty box. I knew a lot of you will purchase from my link. Love you more than ice cream, and let me know what next video, what products, what brand you want me to use. Remember, I'm a luxury girl. Usually all items, which one, all looks I created from products we carry at Nordstrom. Okay, love you more than ice cream, and I'll see you in my next video. And I am approving this. Yes. This is so good.